We're dealing with today is a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse, and what we've got going on is a broken purge valve, and we want to put a new one on it. Cody's going to show you how to do it. I'm going to look up some codes for it and have them listed too, so that you'll know what code would go along with a purge valve.
Okay, so the codes that you may see when your purge valve is going bad or maybe broken is a P0441, P0443, or a P0444 code could come up with that purge valve. So first, you're just going to want to unplug it. You just want to push this clip in right here, and it just pops out. And then you have a 10mm bolt.
That is really tight. There we go.
Now it's kind of tough getting it out of there because there's a little seal that holds in the back of this purge valve, so it may seem a little tight to you. Like that. Okay, so if you bought a purge valve like ours that isn't already assembled, then you're going to have to put it together. We're just going to kind of glance at our old one and see how it's put together. Just like that. Now you have a seal on the back of your purge valve. It just slides on like that, and you're ready to install it. Okay, to make assembling this a little bit easier, we're going to put just a little bit of grease. Well, we're using assembly goo, but you can just put a little bit of grease around that O-ring just to make it slide in easier, because you don't want to put too much pressure on anything right here. You may take a chance on damaging your new part. See how easy that slid right in with the grease on it. And then we're going to put in our 10mm bolt.
That shoulder bottoms out against that sleeve like that. When you tighten it up, you're tightening the sleeve up against the other part, and that way you don't have to worry about breaking this plastic on this other end.
Okay, so we're ready to snap this back in. If your piece had broke like ours, then you want to make sure that you get the old piece out. So you just want to squeeze the two green tabs together, and it will flare out on the inside, and you'll just slide it out. And to put it in, you'll hear it snap. Just like that.
And that locks it in. And then you just plug in your wires, your plug in, and you're ready to go. New purge valve on, and hopefully we will avoid having any codes in this vehicle. This is Code Man's Auto. Please like and please subscribe.